Hello friends, and welcome back to another unboxing. I'm checking out the Amp Storm frothing milk jug. I just got an espresso maker, so I will be testing this thing out here on this. Oh, so check this thing out. Perfect little sized milk frothing jar there. And also has a little tool here. Looks like this is for if your thing gets clogged up or something, you can kind of clean it out with that, the frother part or whatever. So very cool. I'll be testing this out. Looks like this is like 100% stainless steel with a little measuring indicators in there for that. So I'll be testing this out. Very nice. Saw a little handle. Pretty cool little cup there for sure. Let's go test it out. Different milks now with the Frother Carafe. This one is super handy, has our little measurements there for how much you're putting in there. So you can use like oat milk or regular milk. Probably, what other kinds of milk? Soy milk? I don't know. Coconut milk. Anyways, I think milk is the best. You can just froth that, or like maybe some 2% whole milk or something like that. But anyways, here's this little guy here. And putting that in there. So we're going to use the little steam function. We've pressed the steam button there, and now it's solid. So when it's flashing, you don't want to use it, but once it is solid, then we could use it. I'm going to move over to the other side so we can see that. Okay, so this right here, we have that, and ready. This little dial on the side, you turn it, and that's going to basically give you how much steam you want. So you can really turn it on full if you want to get a lot of steam in there quickly. Basically, the more you adjust it, the more it's going to, the more steam it's going to give you, the faster. So this will warm up your milk and also give it a nice and froth on there. It's done already? All right. Okay, so we got our. Doesn't feel very warm, so you can do it longer and actually like heat it up, but it's just, it takes a little bit of a learning curve to make like a perfect espresso here. So the longer you froth it, obviously the foamier it's going to get, and smaller glass. Oh yeah. And the hotter your milk is going to get. So we're just going to use this little glass here. Those are going to be a little hot, so just be careful with the espresso cups. There we go. Look at that. Perfect little cup there. What if you just drank just a shot of espresso without any stuff in it? So we usually just put that in there, and then we put our sugar. I like honey in mine, but we're using brown sugar right now. Obviously, you can use any kind of sweetener you like, or if you don't like any sweeteners, that's acceptable as well. Looking pretty tasty. But we really enjoy this espresso maker. And here we go with the carafe in our nice, there we go. Haven't quite got the whole pouring technique, so you can make the cool designs when you pour and everything in there too. Some people are very talented at that. Oh, wait a second. Look at this guy. Oh, is he gonna make a smiley face? What do we got going on here? So it's a Cookie Monster smiley face there. We focus there. There we go.